Hi guys, Happy New Year, 2019. Back here at Savvy Zen Organizer to just show you guys some new things I did in 2018 to just get the space that I currently have in my walk-in closet organized, because I love organizing my closet, so I'm constantly working on it to just make it more functional. In the meantime, I'm always purging and getting rid of things and donating things and just trying to make it more functional for me. So here I use this little caddy here to put in pocketbooks. So isn't that cute? Put the pocketbooks in there. On the top shelf I use this like my jewelry area. So I can put things there to organize all my little accessories. I love these containers I got from Amazon. These containers are great because I can label them and then put things in there so it's easily for me to get to and just remember what's in the containers because they're not clear. And this is like little toiletry items that I keep on display that I can use and grab real quick. And as you always know, I have lots of projects I can always work on. So when I'm in the house and I have nothing to do outside, I start organizing stuff. So I have some new hangers. And they're pretty blue hangers. Not expensive at all, if you can see this. Let's see. It's like this huge pack. It's like 25 for $9. So I'm just gonna coordinate the colors of the hangers. I have some pink, I got some black, I got blue, so I'm gonna put them in a category of what belongs in what category based on the color. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.